Okay, here is a quick tutorial to help illustrate how to swap out or clean the aerator in the middle of the Conrad kitchen faucet spray head. First, you're going to insert your aerator tool into two opposite slots. Grab the metal cylinder firmly and rotate in a counterclockwise fashion until the spray head end releases. Now you're just going to take this part off. Be careful of the spring inside. Just set that aside for the moment. You're going to press the center gray section out, remove the washer, and clean the blue end here of the aerator as needed, and remove any debris. Once finished, you will simply place the gray side down into the aerator cap, replace the blue washer. The spring, if it came free, needs to sit right down in the center of the brass cylinder inside, and the spring goes inside the blue washer. So carefully put that over the top. You should see it should just spring gently. Now with your hands and by pressing the back end threaded section to keep it flush with the metal cylinder, by hand, just rotate this down until it is snug. Should just take a couple turns. And then once again, take your aerator tool, find two adjacent slots. While applying pressure to the back of this, hold firmly and begin to tighten it until it is pretty snug. At this point, again, you want to make sure that this is flush with the end of the cylinder. If it isn't, you can back it off, loosen it up a slight amount, and then wiggle this down so that it is flush. That looks good. And then just retighten it one more time to make sure. At this point, the button may not move freely. And what's causing this is it's just butting up against either side of the metal cylinder. There's a little stem below there. You're gonna wanna just back it up just a hair. Just turn it back a slight amount. The button should then release and move freely. If you go too far, it may butt up against this side, which will cause it to stick. So you just ever so gently rotate it about a half a degree until that button moves freely and it's centered on the slot here. After that, you should be good to go. Just remove your aerator tool and connect it back with the pull down hose of the faucet.